Margaret Dayhoff. 1966, this is perhaps one of the most important papers that I've ever read. She was described as the father and the mother of bioinformatics. She founded this entire field, which we now all comparing gene sequences, letter by letter, to say, well, this from this bacteria compares with this from that bacteria and so on. We can reconstruct an entire tree of life. It all goes back to Margaret Dayhoff. And this was a paper, and this is an absolutely gobsmacking paper. What she's saying there is that ferredoxin, this molecule that makes the Krebs cycle go backwards, has a structure which is composed of smaller repeating units. In the end, it goes down to 4 amino acids, which are kind of repeated and repeated and repeated, and it became more complex. And these are some of the most ancient amino acids, and she says in there, perhaps this goes back to a time at the origin of life before there was even a genetic code, or before the genetic code was fully formed, which is one of the most thrilling lines that I've ever read in a scientific paper.